Look at the sad state of my scrapbook studio. I just spent an hour cleaning off the things on the floor so that I could actually come into the room and be able to sit at my desk and work. But as you can tell, I haven't dealt with the problems on the flat surfaces of my room. I mean, take a look at my desk. How ridiculous is the giant mess of stuff that I have currently stacked on my desk? There's no way I can sit down to make anything until something happens in terms of cleaning and organizing. This is what happens when you have a retreat to get ready for, and you have a class that you're prepping, and you work full-time, and you work late, and you still go do fun things, and you travel on the weekends some, and then on just a regular day, you come home from work and you're tired, and you don't want to deal with it, right? Anybody else feeling the realness here? Yeah, I just wanted to share with you all the truth that is my scrapbook space right now, because somehow I've got to get this thing cleaned up enough to have a challenge ready for you guys for next Saturday, which is International Scrapbook Day. So I guess I know what I need to be working on this week when I get home from work, right? Okay, just wanted you to feel my pain, wanted you to laugh a little, maybe even wanted you to feel better about your own space, because I feel pretty confident none of y'all are as messy as I am right now. So yeah. All right, peace out. I hope you guys go and be crafty. I think I'm gonna have to go and be cleany.